We don't want to bore you with a long intro because today we are also excited to share these 5 DIY power tools that are great for every beginner. If trimming hedges feels like a battle, the Worx WG286E cordless hedge trimmer is here to change that. Powered by two 40-volt, 2-ampere-hour batteries, it delivers impressive cutting power and a long runtime, letting you tackle large garden areas without constant recharging. The 61-centimeter dual-action blade slices through thick branches smoothly and efficiently, giving you clean and precise cuts every time. No more jagged edges. The brushless motor is a game changer, offering higher efficiency, better performance, and longer tool life compared to traditional motors. Plus, it's lightweight and ergonomically designed to reduce arm fatigue so you can work comfortably for extended periods. Whether you're shaping ornamental shrubs or taming wild overgrowth, this tool delivers professional-grade results with minimal effort. When you need powerful cutting performance without the bulk, the Milwaukee 7 1/4-inch circular saw is a game changer. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers up to 6,000 revolutions per minute, slicing through wood effortlessly. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, this saw is built to handle demanding jobs. The magnesium frame ensures durability while keeping the tool lightweight for extended use without fatigue. What truly sets this saw apart is its thoughtful design features. The built-in LED light ensures your cutting line stays clearly visible, even in dimly lit spaces, making precision cuts a breeze. With a bevel capacity of up to 50 degrees, it's perfect for angled cuts. The integrated rafter hook adds a touch of convenience, allowing you to securely hang the saw during breaks. So if you're framing walls, roofing structures, or tackling detailed finish work, this versatile and durable circular saw is up for any challenge. Say goodbye to the hassle of compressors and tangled hoses with the RYOBI 15-gauge angled finish nailer, your go-to tool for clean and precise trim work. This cordless powerhouse features innovative airstrike technology, which delivers the power and consistency you'd expect from a pneumatic nailer without the cumbersome setup. Whether you're installing crown molding, building cabinetry, or tackling other finish jobs, this nailer gets it done effortlessly. The angled magazine is a game changer for reaching into tight corners and awkward spaces. Plus, with tool-free depth adjustment, you can quickly fine-tune your settings for perfect nail placement. It doesn't stop there. Bright LED lights illuminate your workspace, ensuring accuracy even in dim environments. With the capacity to fire hundreds of nails per charge, this nailer is built for long hours of efficient work without frequent reloading or recharging. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, it's the ideal blend of power, precision, and convenience. If you're after compact power, the Dewalt DCF860 impact driver is a mighty tool packed into a small, lightweight frame. Don't let its size fool you. With 3 speed settings and a high-torque brushless motor, this driver is built for versatility and serious power. Whether you're fastening large screws or breaking loose stubborn bolts, it gets the job done smoothly and efficiently. The 3-speed settings allow precise control, making it adaptable for various tasks, from delicate assembly jobs to heavy-duty fastening. The ergonomic design and lightweight build, weighing just over 2 pounds, ensure comfortable use even in cramped spaces. Plus, the built-in LED light brightens your work area, enhancing accuracy in low-light conditions. Assembling furniture at home or tackling demanding tasks on a busy job site? Not an issue, because this impact driver delivers dependable, high-performance results that every DIYer will love to have. If heavy-duty garden tasks are on your to-do list, the Bosch Advanced Chain 36-volt 3540 cordless chainsaw is a powerhouse you can count on. With a robust 36-volt brushless motor, it slices effortlessly through thick branches and logs, making tough jobs feel like a breeze. Thanks to the intelligent OptiCut speed control, you get smooth and steady sawing even through dense wood, reducing the risk of jams. This chainsaw isn't just about raw power. It's thoughtfully designed for your comfort. Weighing just under 5 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The ergonomic grip minimizes hand strain, letting you work longer without discomfort. One standout feature is the tool-free SDS system, which allows for quick and hassle-free chain assembly and tension adjustments, meaning no hunting for extra tools when you're on the job. Whether you're tackling fallen branches after a storm or prepping firewood for winter, this chainsaw ensures precision, efficiency, and ease at every cut. That's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.